I only got the one camera with me, guys, because we're moving the trailer today, apparently. So he's hooking onto it right now, and he checked the tires and everything seemed to be pretty good. He's going to put some air into the tiny house now through the, I guess it's air brakes or something like that. I'm not a trucker, so I have no idea. So we'll see what happens. It's going to get funky, real funky. I have my doubts about the aerial. Yeah, I'm gonna ride in here, like I said. Whoa. Okay. So I guess he tried the brakes out and they went crazy. But the aerial seems like it might get away. Hopefully not. But we'll find out. Yeah, my dad's going to shut the outer door. I'm going to shut my inner door here. But he's got to shut the outer door so we're safe on the road. That way everything's good. I'm going to leave the windows open. And go from there, guys. So give me a second and I'll end the video here. And we'll start filming once we're up and running. Alright, guys. The tiny house is about to move for the first time, and he wants to see it. Whoa! This is gonna be fun. He's checking to see if any of the brakes are on the tires, checking the brake lines on the trailer, basically.
Those rubbers, they just peel out of there. With a screwdriver or a knife? Well, not a knife, just a cutting, but a screwdriver as well.
Okay, so they're going to have to let some air into the tires because there's no air left, so I'm letting them do their thing here. So I'll get back to you. Okay, so that wood, guys, I showed you in my other video, that pressure treated wood, the 4 3/4 inch thick pressure treated plywood, and the huge pole, that is in the back of my dad's truck, and he's going to follow the tiny house over there, and that stuff will be used to help level out the tiny house once it hits ground over there. So I'm not going to be like this or like this when I'm living in here like a fun house or something. I took the Budweiser poster down that I won because that was just swinging away, and this guy is my only concern right now at this point. Everything else seemed to be pretty much okay, but I'll keep the camera rolling once we do get going here, so it's going to be kind of freaky. Now the pantry is built pretty solid, but it has that little give if I shake it a bit, so I may take the air conditioner off of there right now and put it down here. So I'm going to do that just in case. So, I don't know about the other stuff, but we'll find out. I'll push this stuff towards the middle maybe more. Well, this stuff doesn't want to move. Might be okay. Whoops, so the AC's there now, next to the bed. I put it on the flat against the battery box so it won't be hitting anything. And I may move a bunch of that stuff off the tables, but other than that, should be good. So I'll set the camera up and move that stuff before we get going quickly. So I guess they're adding air to the brake lines because it hasn't been done for a long time. Something like that. As far as I can figure. Tax. Everything, guys. I may lay these guys down just as a precaution. Put these things out so they're kind of good. Mike's fish tank, definitely. I'll put him over here. And then the rest of the stuff should be okay, as far as I can tell. I hope. I should put this in front of the white stuff. Lay it down just in case. That should be good. So they're pumping up the air brakes right now via the truck, some kind of air brake connection. And hopefully everything goes well here, guys. It's kind of a... He actually was off today, so he said, well, let's do it today. Let's not wait a day. Holy shit, the tiny house is moving. It's gonna be crazy, guys.
Pull forward, Tom.
Yeah. I'm gonna be over here by the fireplace, guys. You're on the countertop right now, so hopefully everything goes smooth. It's a pretty crazy ride in here right now, so hopefully things go slow.
Yeah, I see what you're saying. Just put stuff right on the line. Yeah, that's what I locked it out of the line.
Okay, we got to get the tires out of a rut. That's why it's been crazy like this, guys. I can hear them out the window.
Watch it. Tell me in the mirror.
And he's gonna try and pull the tiny house truck tires out of the rut because they've sunk over time in the mud because of weather changes and stuff. So I'm going to kind of hold on to the fireplace, and there's no seat belts in here, guys, so if something happens, then you'll see it, hopefully. Oh boy. I'm somewhat sitting on the battery box as well. They're trying to pull me out of here, out of the rut up here. Okay. Whoa. Okay, the brakes are the brakes are seized, so they're going to take a hammer and bang on them, and that way the tire's not dragging. So I'll come back on here once we're moving. The tiny house is moving, and the boxes and ladder just fell over and destroyed my solar light, I think. I gotta go back to the pantry, the fireplace. I'm more concerned about that. We are moving. I'll show you out the window in a second. You can probably tell, because I'm not jumping up and down. My gas pipe and aerial are holding on. I'll put the camera down. Guys, whoa. Holy shit. It's gonna be a ride. They had to free up the brakes. It took quite a while. They had to take a hammer to the brakes because they were rusted or seized or painted on, whatever. This is gonna get funky, guys. Real funky. Windows are holding up. I'm worried about the shower as well. Whoops. I can't do much about it now though. I just gotta hold on tight and pray everything works. Okay, returning. We're on the main road now. I'll show you guys out the window quickly. Whoops, something just fell off from underneath the tiny house. And something else just fell off underneath there. Holy Christ. I think it was my styrofoam that I stuffed under there. Holy shit. We're coming up to a stoplight here, guys, so let's see what happens. Hopefully he goes easy on this. Comes a big turn. Who needs a theme park when you got a tiny house? I'm trying to see where we are. Oh, we're going over the train tracks. That's gonna suck. Gotta grab the camera before it falls. You guys see out here? We're moving. Everything mostly survived so far. Stay with me, guys. It's getting crazy. Sorry, I don't have any shock absorbers for the camera, so it's probably going like this. Hopefully my aerial doesn't go for a shit. Okay, we're at red light for a stop. We're actually going by my parents' house now. And I don't know if he wanted to take this road, but whoa. Tree limbs are hitting the side of the tiny house. You can hear them. Holy shit! That's crazy. I wasn't... Okay, we're going for the big curve. Holy shit. I'm kind of directing as I see out the window where we are. Now we're going into a construction zone, so this is going to be kind of funky up ahead. I don't know how he's going to manage it, but then again, truck drivers are pretty slick. They've got all kinds of tricks. Get a hold of the gas. My battery's running low, of course. You guys see this craziness? This is hell of a theme park. I think one of my tires is still seized. I'm smelling burning. Oh shit, burnt rubber. Hopefully we get there quick. It's not that far of a drive, but oh, we're almost there, believe it or not. Holy fuck. Yeah, that's the construction. I think my shower just jumped. I'm not sure. The totes are fine. Fireplace survived somehow. I'm kind of hanging on to it. The aerial is ready to come down, I think. But we should be coming up to the property here soon. And this is insane. I think my solar light took a shit back there though. What the hell is that noise? Okay, we're coming to a slowdown here, guys. So I gotta hold on. He's gonna turn onto the property now, I think. Yep, here we go. Watch the camera die when we finally get there, and I can't show you guys anything. Oh. Whoa! Okay, my shower's okay. Whoa! Hopefully I don't get dinged by this aerial. Okay. I think we've landed. That was wild. Whew. That's a decent view, isn't it, guys? Whew. Look at that. Well, something fell over. Oh, my solar light just kicked on back then. Look at that view for the tiny house. Not bad. I'll probably lose the view though. Oh, there we go. Got a little something. Whoa! So we made it to the property, guys. You can see I got a nice water supply there. We survived. My accountant stuff pretty much survived. I just got to pick it up. I think I only destroyed my solar light in the process, which isn't, I don't know if it's totally destroyed, but I think we're here. I'm gonna, yep. We lose some foam?
Why?
Did we lose anything underneath?
No.
Okay. Thought I heard something go.
No.
Okay.
It'll be okay.
Alright.
Did I lose my new glove?
I don't know, where are they?
I don't know whether I laid them on the running board or in the back of your pickup or...
Yeah.
Well, look at my pickup. Probably your pickup. Yeah, a little closer than I thought already, but...
Alright, hold on, I'll be back.